We guide you through how to turn off liquid glass on your iPhone running iOS 26 so your screen goes back to normal. Start by opening Settings, scroll down, and tap Display and Brightness. Then, look for Liquid Glass, a new iOS 26 feature that adds a glossy, reflective animation to your screen. Tap Liquid Glass and simply switch the toggle off to disable the effect instantly. If the option doesn't appear, go back to Settings and open Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size, and you'll find Liquid Glass inside the Visual Effects section. Turn the toggle off. This removes the shiny layer and restore your regular screen clarity. And finally, restart your iPhone to fully apply the change. Once done, your screen will look normal again with no reflections or liquid like movement.